Okay, open the bracket. 2 6 are 12 plus 2x divided by 15. Next, don't multiply. This is where you'll go wrong. Don't try to multiply. Is left hand side solved? All of you will respond. Left hand side, is it solved? No. Until you solve it, don't cross multiply. That is where you are going wrong. See here. 6, if you open the bracket, 6x minus x into x square plus 9. 3 6 are 18 minus 3x is equal to 12 plus 12x divided by 50. Now cross multiply. Even while cross multiplying, see, hardly took 5 to 10 seconds. That's it. So the problem is you're skipping this part and you're trying to do the next part. Okay. So look here, cross multiply. Even when you cross multiply, don't try to do it directly. Write this step: 6x minus x square plus 9. 12 plus 2x in bracket 18 minus 3x. Okay. So 15 into 6, 60 plus 30, 90x minus 15x square plus 15 into 9. How much is 15 into 9, students? 90 plus 45 is 135. And how many times to teach you all this method where you all have gone wrong? See, you're not supposed to do it directly. Okay, I mean, you can do if you're getting not able to solve, take 12 first, 18 minus 3x. Next, take plus 2, 18 minus 3x. Okay, I'll tell where you all are going wrong. I think Kefera or some student has done like this. 12 into 18, you have multiplied. 216. After that, this 12 you're supposed to multiply with the students. I think it was Kefera. You missed out that Kefera, and what you have done is you have directly multiplied 2 into 3. Is this correct? Is this the way to solve? Tell me, Kefera. Tell me, students, is this the way to solve? No, sir. Step by step. No, I checked your answer, Kefera. See, nothing wrong if I show it because others can learn. Kefera, right? Can you see this step? Can you explain this part, Kefera? What have you done? Is it correct? If it's right, why will I tell you all students? Because I check your answers. I go through. Anyways, no problem. So try to do it step by step, students. Why all are in a hurry? If you want to score full marks, you shouldn't do such silly mistakes. Okay, you can do it like this. If not, 12 plus 2x into 18 minus 3x. See, multiply 12 into 18 first, 216. Then multiply 12 into minus 3x. Let me write here. 12 into 18 is 216. 12 into minus 36x plus next 12 we multiplied with both, that is done. Take 2x, multiply with both including the sign, minus 36x plus 18 twos are 36x plus into minus is minus 3 twos are 6x square. Okay, I think only Sisla and I think Abigail Sisla, they have done it like this. Which one gets cancelled? Until you solve, don't shift it. Left hand side, nothing can be cancelled. Right hand side, can I cancel this? Yeah, this is known as simplification, students. Each and every step you simplify, then you change it. Okay. Now, 90x square, if you want, take everything to the left hand side or take everything to the right hand side. I'll do one thing, I'll take everything to the left hand side. 90x along with 90x, we don't have any other x value. Okay, keep minus 15x square. For 15x square, we have minus 6, that becomes plus 6x square. Plus 135 minus 216 is equal to 0. 90x plus into minus is minus. 15 minus 9, 6x square. 15 is, sorry, 15 minus 6 is 9x square. 15 is greater, minus 9. Plus into minus is minus. 216 minus 135, 81. Yes, 216 is greater, minus 81 is equal to 0. All of you understood calculation? Yeah, complete it. Be quick, complete it. There's another banking question after that. There's a lot students. Be quick. I'll teach. Because even their students are making mistakes. Second part I'll teach you all. Those who have done, fine. Others be quick. Kia, not Kia. Dia, yesterday I told you what mistakes you're doing. Okay, so you have to correct it. If you're still doing the same mistake, it's going to be tough. Okay, just a minute. Who didn't attend? Is Deborah online? 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn on the video, Deborah. Keep it. And Deborah, given you same thing. Certain questions, certain steps you didn't show calculation. Did you do it on your own? Let me show your answer. Complete the students. See, if you're doing it on your own and if you're going wrong, I'm happy student because I can teach. I'll get to know where you're doing mistakes. Just because to send the homework, if you're referring somewhere, copying and sending it, you won't learn anything. Is it clear? All of you done? See, now there are three terms. If you're trying to do, if you use product and sum, your students. Just for example, if you miss out, if you forget to take out the common value, what is the product? I mean, first let me arrange this. First let me arrange. Which one you're supposed to write first? Then plus, minus. Okay. And one more thing, keep this in mind. The first value should never be negative. Change the sign for all this. Okay, you can directly change the sign. Minus becomes plus 9x square, plus 90 becomes plus 81. Okay, so make a note of this too. The first one shouldn't be negative, Ruth. Okay, the first one shouldn't be negative. So if I take out minus common, what are we getting? So if I take out minus, all of you respond, students. If I take minus out, what are we getting? 9x square minus 90x plus 81. If I multiply, are we getting the same value? If I multiply minus, right? So this minus goes to the denominator. It becomes 0 divided by minus. That's what I'm teaching you. Okay. Can you see I've taken minus common outside? No, just ignore all that, students, because again that is a different part. For now, just remember the first one shouldn't be minus. How do you make it plus? Change sign for everything. Okay, change sign for everything. Did you understand this? Now, if you want to use sum and product, what are the two things you have to multiply for product? 81 into 9. 8 9 is 7. If you take 729, isn't it very big number to do it like this? 2 into 3 into. In spite of doing so much, if you don't factorize, definitely you won't get the answer. No, no, you can't do like that. Divided by 9. You can do it, Amy. Okay, you can just write divided by 9. What is common to them? 9 is common for all three. So you can divide it like this. Those who know this method, do it. If not, look at, take minus, first sign minus, 9 common, students. What's the remainder you get? X square. I'll take minus because the first one shouldn't be negative, it should be positive. Okay. So what you will get? If I take 9 common, inside the bracket, those who don't know calculation, look at. Let me quickly teach you. Take the first one, divide by minus 9. What's the next one? Plus 90x divided by the common value. What's the third one? If you want this step, you can skip. Those who are thorough with this, skip this step. You can write it directly. Okay. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 9 and 9. X square. What is plus into minus? 10x. Minus and minus becomes plus. 9 ones are, how many times it goes? What happens to this minus 9? What happens to minus 9, students? It gets divided, right? 0 divided by anything is what? 0 divided by anything is 0. All of you understood? Is it clear? So if you observe all the questions from past 2-3 days, what we were doing, LCM part, everything is the same. The only thing is, if you try to do it directly, you're not getting the answer. Okay, so try to do it step by step. In board exam, remember you're going to get only one question. Fine. So for that one question, do it step by step, you'll get the right answer. Okay. So this is our equation. Fine. So even in this, students, even in this, if you'll have doubts, what's the first thing I told? Which one shouldn't be negative? All of you will respond. First one. So we'll do one thing. Convert, send everything to the other side. Minus 9x goes to the other side, becomes plus 9x square. Plus 90 becomes minus 90. Minus 81 becomes plus 81. It's the same, right? Aren't we getting the same value? This is what we get. Okay, what's the sum and product? Sum is minus 10, product is 9. Only one way value, right? 1 into 9. So how do you split it? How do I split this, students? Plus 1x or minus 1x? Minus, take minus 9, x minus 1. All of you will complete this. Completed. See, last week, yeah, Saturday I did banking, students. Okay. So tomorrow I'll take 1 hour class, extra class. I'll teach you shares and dividend from your textbook. Tomorrow class is at 11 o'clock. No, 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 1 minute. 9 to 10, 10 to 11. I think 11:30, students. What time can you allow? Why? What till what time you allow classes? A tournament I can't help, students, because tournament y'all can't predict timing. If I keep evening, even evening class y'all cannot get, right? So for y'all, if I change the timing later, if y'all don't attend in evening, even for others portions, have to complete the portions. So tournament and other things, there's no excuse. At least if you have other classes, fine. Spontaneous stuff, Ruth. Usually a class is till 11 o'clock, right? Okay. Fine. You do one thing tomorrow. One day you just go through recording. If not, you have to attend evening. Okay, I'll tell you all the timing, students. First, complete all of you all done. Huh? The reason I take afternoon is Saturday. If I complete morning, you can study other subjects. There's even assignment. Okay, look here. I'll tell you. All this are just the same. Find the value of x if ax is 0, b. Substitute. Shall we do the next one? Look at the 12th one. Find the value of x if a plus 7 is equal to 0, b plus 10 is equal to 0. What do we need to find, students? Value of x, right? Find x. See, this one is not specific quadratic. So we have two equations here. A is equal to 7, b is equal to 10. What is a value? All of you be quick. It's a simple question. A is equal to and b is equal to what is a value? Minus 7 into x. And what is b? 12x square minus 7x. Minus into minus is 12x square minus 7 becomes. Is this clear? Okay, I'll just mention some. Don't copy. 1 minute. When I'm teaching, listen. What is sum here? Plus 7x. Product is how much? Minus 120. Which question? 12th question. First look at the question. A value they've given equation. B value they've given. So what I did was I took 7 that side, we got A. I took 10 that side, we got B. When I substituted, I got this. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so sum and product 120. 1 into 120. Then how many times, students? 1 into 120. 2 into Bhargavi. You have to factorize until you get 7. 2 into 60. 3 into. What is 12 into 10? There is minus sign along with 10, right? 4 into 30. 5 into 5 into 24. 6 into. Okay, 7 doesn't go. What about 8, students? Yeah, be quick. You have to solve the next one. Which combination gives 7 if you add? So sum is equal to plus 7x. If you take 8 and 15, 7 is as plus. What should I put before 8? Plus or minus? So that I should get 7, I should put minus. Is this clear? So you get 12x square minus 8x plus 15x minus 10 is equal to 0. Complete it till here and do the rest for homework. All of you will start solving. So now whatever I'm going to do, I'm just going to do half, students. Half the question, other half you have to do it for homework. If not, it is getting late. If not, shall I conduct little early? 9:30, 9 to 10, 9, 9 to 10, 9 to 11. So conduct one. Completed? Still done? See, 1 minute, students. I will thorough with factorization part. So don't waste your time. Just ignore all this. Try to do it till here. Understood till the first three steps? Because your notes doesn't matter. Yeah, are you doing still? You doing it? See, Bhargavi, just now I told you, notes doesn't matter, Bhargavi. If you know how to solve the first, no, you do it later. Complete it till here. Mm, If you have done till there, that is enough. Other things are easy, student. It's the same. So don't waste your time. There is still so much to cover. So I'm not going to solve everything because factorization you all know how to solve. Look at the 13th one. Use the substitution 2x plus 3 is equal to y to solve for x. Okay, to solve for x, if 4 into 2x plus 3 the whole square minus similar to this, did we solve the fourth question? Can you see the fourth one? Fourth question. So how do you use sum and product, students? If the brackets are same, you can assign any alphabet for this. You can take this bracket, let 2x plus 3 is equal to y. So I'll put y square here. They've already mentioned here. Can you see? So what you have to take 2x plus 3? Yeah, take it as y. So let me keep this as it is. Minus 2y minus 14 is equal to 0. How do you sum and product, students? All of you will respond. What is sum? Minus 2y. What is product? 56. What's the value? 28. Just check your fourth question. We've already done this. Only thing what they mentioned is use the substitution 2x plus 3y is equal to y. Okay. So in question wherever 1 minute students. In question wherever you see 2x plus 3, take it as y. That is what they have meant. So which combination will give you 2? Three table doesn't go. Something we have missed out here. Before solving this, what can we do, students? Hmm. Simplify. Nobody told that. Which is common here? 2y square minus minus 1y minus 7 is equal to 0. Product is minus 14. 2x plus 3. 1 into 14, 2 into 7. Are we getting minus 1 for anything? Sorry. What mistake have I done, students? I tell you all to not do mistake. Can you see 2y? I have written 2y here in between. What should I write here? 2y or just y? Just y. See, I'm doing a lot of mistakes. This is the actual value. Okay. By mistake, I've written 2y. What is some value? Minus 1y. What is product? 56. Right? Okay. I'll just give you a direct answer. 1 into 56. If you use all the combination, you get 7 8s are 56. Are we getting 1? So minus, 7x 8x minus 7y 8y. Put minus here. What should I put before 7? A plus. So should I write 4xy minus 8y first or 7? No, no. If I write 7, is anything common here? You can interchange and write it. You can interchange minus 8y plus. After this, you'll know how to solve, right? Response, students. Group it. Yes. Complete it. Be quick. Complete this sum. First, you group it, Lima. After this, what is common? 4y is common. You get y minus 2. When do we use grouping method, Lima? When there's only multiplication in between, right? When there is addition and subtraction, how can you use grouping? Hmm. Yes. Now use grouping. Tell me what is y value. Okay, don't tell me the answer, students. All of you will complete. I'll give you all 2 minutes. Later I'll solve. Ruth and Kia, what time you'll have class? Next class? Oh, fine. Fine. No, no, only Thursday and Friday, not every day. Monday to Wednesday, two batches students. Thursday and Friday, I combine so that I can take 15-20 minutes extra. Okay, today I'll conduct only till 8:05. Tomorrow I'll take for 1.5 hours. Okay, according to zero product, what do you get, students? Not 7, not. See, if you want, use product rule, or if you're used to, if you're thorough with that, you can write directly. Y is minus, y is 2. And here, 7 goes to the other side, becomes minus 7 by 4. But this is not what they've asked. We need to find value of what? Solve for. No, no. Solve for x. Can you see solve for x? All of you will complete it till here. Now just take the main equation, students. Take this equation, substitute y 2x plus 3 is equal to 2. Now, both. See, what is quadratic equation? X will have how many values? 2 values. Solve this. For both the y values, you should split and find 2x values. Quadratic meaning is two values. That's it. Keep that in mind. Whether it is x or y, you should get two values. Fine, no problem. Both are in fraction, no issues. Is it minus 1 by 2? Okay, it's the same, students. Calculation part is same. Shall we do the next one? See, even next one, you can practice later or just ignore, because if you're thorough with one or two questions, that is enough. The, the concept is the same. Okay, look at the 14th. I'll explain 14th. Try it for homework. 14th one. See, once again, do it step by step. All of you will respond. Is the denominator same? Are the denominator? So write it together. Cross multiply. X square. How do you write it? A into A plus B. What is A into A plus B? No, no. Better write it like this, because you don't get plus AB, you get minus AB there. That's the reason. Write it step by step. Next, if you open the bracket AB plus B, what's the value? Now open the bracket. What you'll get? Minus A square minus, yes, divided by AX. Now instead of writing like this, I'll just shift it. AX here. Can you see denominator AX and AX are same? So if I take AX here and there is AX already given, which one gets cancelled? So remember this rule. Whenever denominators are same, students, after taking LCM, just cancel it directly. Okay, you don't have to write it in another step. Just cancel it out. I'll just erase all this. Now shift everything to one towards one side. X square minus A square minus AB minus AB. You get minus. Yes. Square. What is this? Minus into minus. Minus 2AB and minus is equal to 0. Okay, completed till here. After this, I'll teach you. This is slightly a different concept. I'll teach you after this. So all of you will attend on time, students. Tomorrow's class, somehow we have to complete, and Mondays you have to start with second exercise. So from Monday, I'll be including even circle questions every day for homework. I'll give you one circle question, one shares and dividend. Completed till you're done. See, this is a different part, students. It's a totally different value. You have to use a minus b, the whole square concept. From here, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, from this, we'll continue tomorrow, and I'll tell you for the class timing. See, class will be from 11 to 12:30. Those who can't attend, just for today, tomorrow, students, go through the recording. Who can't attend tomorrow from 11? Who can't attend? Abigail, Ruth, Anya, Dia. Okay, Kefera, what do you have? Okay, fine. Anyway, students, recording I'll provide. In recorded classes, are you able to understand? Is audio clear? Those who watch recording, is audio clear? Okay. So tomorrow, this 1.5 hour, I have to complete this. Okay. The next class, if you'll attend from 1 to 2, I can give you all formulas. How many of you have started shares and dividend? Did you all start the project? Only 2 students sent it. Anam had sent, she asked. Anam had done. Eileen, I think Abigail, and Ruth. Only 4 students. What about others? I think only 4. What about other students? You are just telling us you didn't send me anything. See, stock I've already told your students. After 2 days, you go and check the price. It will be different. Okay, so make a note. Your class timing will be from 11. This is regular class, and those who want can attend from 1 to 2. From 1 to 2, I'll give you all formulas. I'll record both. So 1 o'clock class, if you're missing, no problems, because 1 o'clock I'll give you all formulas. At least 10 to 15 chapters formulas. I'll make you all right. Is it clear? Okay. So if you're missing this 1 to 2 class, no problem, because that is only formula for your project. Okay. So what are the chapters you all can write? What are the formulas you all can? Banking, GST, all that can you all cover? So you'll attend from 1 to 2, fine. Or those who attend, those who cannot attend, you can just take notes from others. If you want to go through the recording or take notes, at least 10 to 15 chapters, formulas I'll make you all write tomorrow. The next 10 to 15, we'll do it next week. Okay. So from my side, that's it, students. I can help. It is left up to you all. You all put effort and complete your project. Okay. So keep that in mind. Out of 100 marks, 20 marks is for your project. That 20 marks is literally like studying 5 to 6 chapters. So instead of struggling later, better complete the project. Try to complete by Wednesday or Thursday. Send me once, and you can submit whenever your teacher asks for it. Fine. Okay, we'll end here. Just revise. Attend at 11 o'clock tomorrow, all of you.